The Filipino antonyms, tama, which is correct in English, and then mali, which is wrong. Tama, mali. Tama, mali. Tama ang iyong hula tungkol sa laro. Your prediction about the game is accurate or correct. Tama is correct. Iyo is like your. And then hula is like prediction, tungkol about. And then laro is a game. So tama ang iyong hula tungkol sa laro. Ang maling impormasyon ay nakasira sa plano. The incorrect information ruined the plan. Mali means wrong or incorrect. Impormasyon is information. Sira means ruin or destroy, and then plano is a plan. Ang maling impormasyon ay nakasira sa plano. Tama lang na parusahan ang nagkasala. It is just right to punish the guilty one. Tama lang, it's just right. Parusahan, punish, and then sala is like a wrong, mali. Nagkasala is a guilty one or someone who made something wrong. Tama lang na parusahan ang nagkasala. Mali ang direksyon na ibinigay mo sa amin. It means the direction you gave us was wrong or it's incorrect. Mali is wrong, direksyon is direction, bigay is like give, ibinigay, gave, and then mo is you, and then sa amin is us or we. Mali ang direksyon na ibinigay mo sa amin. Once again, our Filipino antonyms, tama, which is correct in English, and mali, which is wrong. Tama, mali. Tama, mali.